Maybe you're pregnant, you really want the child, but your partner, you are amazing. Your aura is beautiful. Okay, you're very attractive. Like thousands of people want to just be with you. Around winter, you will see something coming your way. This is exactly what you wanted to hear. And marriage is on the cards, commitment is on the cards. You have a small separation. So there is somebody is going to throw in a surprise for you, I'm hearing. So it's important for you to claim this positivity. You're feeling currently unsatisfied, but Namaste. So we have a beautiful soul symphony deck here. Whatever your soul needs to hear right now. What is your soul purpose? Why are you here? What is the lesson you have to learn? What is the blessing coming your way? Lot of things all associated with your soul. This is exactly what you wanted to hear or needed to hear. And here it is. The first card for today. Union. So there you go. This is exactly what you wanted to hear. Reconciliation is there, coming back, second chance, rebuilding. So if you are someone at the receiving end of somebody's mistake, or you have a small separation, so there is a second chance that you will give, or your other person is going to give you second chance. Whatever is happening in your life, there is always a second chance. Even getting up the next day is your second chance. So remember, count your blessings. Don't dwell in just the negativity. Be grateful for whatever you have. So reconciliation is on the cards, coming back. Somebody is coming back just for you. Somebody is going to throw in a surprise for you, I'm hearing. And union is, maybe divinely blessed. As you can see, these both beautiful couple. I see peacocks wherever you live. Peacock could be your soul guide for today, okay, during this reading. So find out what a peacock has to say. Okay, so for a few of you, however, your soul is in a small separation. So here it is coming back, right? So somebody had undergone a separation and they are coming back. So whoever are having separation right now, there is a union happening. You might not know how or why this happened. Silence, longing for you, distance. So maybe it's a long distance relationship in itself, and marriage is on the cards, commitment is on the cards. Very beautiful energies here. So in spite of having separation between the both of you, union is definitely going to happen. That is on the cards. Pregnancy. So there you go. Pregnancy test, entrapment, conceiving, mother figure. So entrapment. So few of you here, whoever are pregnant, might feel entrapped. Can't move on. So you feel very tired of being in this energy. So you will conceive, you will have a pregnancy test, and there is a mother figure. All of this positive reading is here, and few here feel that pregnancy is entrapment and you can't move further from there. So work on that energy. It is not an entrapment. If you learn that, your soul needs to learn that it's not entrapment. Being a mother is very beautiful. I am one to a very lovely child. I'm a mother to it, and that's the biggest accomplishment according to me. So if you feel, or maybe somebody has a partner. Oh God, I think I know what the cards are trying to tell me. Maybe you're pregnant, you really want the child, but your partner is not in acceptance of this pregnancy. Okay, your partner does not want this pregnancy, or you did not want this pregnancy. Either of you are planning on abortion, or leaving this. Okay, so you don't want the partner, you want the baby. Something like that is happening. Whatever it is, I hope it resolves for you. And few of you who've been really waiting to get pregnant, I hope you get your good news. Okay, so that is what your soul wanted to hear today. Commitment. Few of you here will have marriage, soulmate energy, sharing goals, long-term happiness. So it's important for you to claim this positivity and be in the soulmate energy. Marriage is on the cards. Look at it. It's a very beautiful union, long-term happiness. So somebody here is really not playing around. They have a long-term commitment towards you and they want to grow old with you. Wow. Reciprocation, losing interest, bare minimum. So not everyone will be happy with bare minimum, right? So unsatisfied. Few of you here are feeling unsatisfied. You're like, okay, what is this? I'm just getting whatever is the bare minimum. I don't think I deserve just the bare minimum. I need efforts. I need more things here to stay here interested in this person. Losing interest. and not getting reciprocation. So whatever you're giving, maybe you're giving unconditional love to this person, but it is not getting reciprocated. So your soul needs to hear that whatever you are getting, start becoming grateful for whatever you have, and your partner or you, whatever you have to work on it. You're feeling currently unsatisfied, but universe has better plans for you. So anybody who's losing interest, think for yourself, what is it that you need to learn with this particular point, because beauty fades, whatever is happening fades away very fast. Long-term commitment, somebody who is always going to be there for you, is not easy to find. It's rare as a diamond, they say. Diamonds are very readily available these days. Anyway, just kidding. Water signs here: Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So whoever is watching or your person can either be one of those, water signs here, and you could be a fire sign. So there's a combination like that, or you both could be water signs, both could be fire signs and opposite to water signs. So we need to resonate with the cards, whatever we are. So appreciation and options. So letting you know, enjoying you, good vibes, expressing love. Few here are being very appreciative of your person or people, okay? And few here, you're juggling connections, addictions, player. So both sides of the coin. So there are contradictory readings sometimes, okay? So it is very confusing sometimes. Your confusion is valid. Such readings do happen. This is a general reading. For personalized reading, you'll have to book a personal appointment with me. I think all the personal details here, how to book your personal readings, are displayed on the screen for you always. So book your personal readings for that. But this is a very confusing reading. I can decipher what it's trying to say is, you have a lot of options with you, okay? You are amazing. Your aura is beautiful. Plenty. If you're a female, you're very attractive. Okay, you're very attractive. Like thousands of people want to just be with you. And if you're a man, it's the same energy you have with females. Women want to be with you. But you can appreciate who you actually vibe with. You can express your love to them. Okay, so resonate with whatever is your current situation. Do you have options? If you don't have options, then consider this card here. Okay, consider this card as your resonating card. So sometimes as tarot card readers, it's important for us to acknowledge that there is a very confusing reading on and off. So you have to pick the card which you feel very attracted to. You can't pick the card which you are not attracted to. All right. So let me pick 3 more cards and let's find out something for you. There is some very interesting cards that have come up. Around winter, you will see something coming your way. Your soul is going to learn its ultimate goal. Learn who are with you, why are they with you, what is your soul purpose, what's your soul journey. New boo, few of you, happy place, seeing someone new love blossoms, enjoying each other. For few, mind games, taking advantage, playing with feelings and string along. And for few, butterflies, devotion, can't stop smiling, happiness and feeling complete. So this is what your soul purpose or soul journey is about, to identify what works for you and what doesn't work for you. And I hope I could help you with the readings here. Thank you so much.